I'm going to do a quick video on testing an extension lead. So I'm going to have my multimeter set to continuity. That way it'll beep and give me a resistance reading. You want really low resistance on all these readings. So we'll try it from the live first. Now to test here, it's locked. You can't get your tester in. Your earth pin unlocks it. So I'm just going to push down and then go in, then you can go in. So 1.8 ohms, which is probably taking account for all the wiring. So both of them should be roughly the same. So I'll change to the neutral now. And that's 0.5 ohms. So the other side is a bit loose. Perhaps go in there and tighten it up, tighten up the cables, because that's a bit of a difference, 2 ohms difference. So anyway, I'll check the earth. Could be a loose wire in here or a loose wire in here, or it could be damage to the cable. So that's low ohms again, and that's a smaller cable than the live, so there's something wrong with the live somewhere, so that's, I'm glad I checked it. But anyway, I'll do the other side as well. Might as well start with the earth. So 0.5, then the live, that was 3 ohms, and the neutral, and that's 0.7. So I'm going to undo this and check the wiring on these. But that's how you check them. Obviously if you've got no continuity on one of the wires are split. You've already tested the fuse, so there's no need to go inside. You've tested from here all the way down, so you know the fuse is good. But if the live ain't working, check the fuse.